लो ड्रामा वाले तैयार हो जाएं।
Drama Wallace, be ready. Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, be ready for drama. So when Krishna saw all this, the other gopis had developed false ego that we are the same as Radharani. Also Radharani had developed anger, some man towards Krishna. He is treating me the same as other gopis. Krishna was thinking this, then Ras will be broken, therefore Krishna disappeared from the arena of Ras. The gopis thought, where has he gone? Where has he gone? They became mad in his separation. And they remembered his pastimes. How he talked beautifully. How his form is sweet. How his flute playing is all attractive. And they became completely absorbed in Krishna and began searching for him. They saw big trees like pipal tree, mango tree and kadamba trees. The gopis said, "Oh trees, you are great sadhus, munis, rishis. You are doing austerities, therefore you have vision of everything. Please tell us, which way did Krishna go?" But the trees did not answer. Therefore gopis said, "Oh, you are males, therefore you are on the side of Krishna." Therefore the gopis asked the Tulasi tree, "Oh Tulasi, you are very fortunate. You are always happy because you are always in connection with Krishna, either on his garland or on his feet. You are very happy, therefore tell us, which way did Krishna go?" But Tulsi did not speak. Therefore Gopi said, "You must be so much happy having met Krishna you cannot speak. Or maybe also you are the side of Krishna." Therefore they asked everyone. There was one tree with flowers blossoming. Therefore the Gopi said, "Krishna must have touched you here, therefore you are happy, therefore flowers are on you." But the tree did not say which way Krishna had gone. That time the gopis became so much absorbed in Krishna, they became like Krishna. One gopi said, "Aham Krishnam," I am Krishna. And saying like that, she lifted her cloth and said, "Look, I am lifting Govardhan." It is not that the gopis became Krishna, one with Krishna in every sense, but for Leela they became absorbed in this mood. One gopi said, "I am Yasoda." Another gopi said, "I am Putana." And they performed that Leela. Actually, there is a secret thing here, that Yogamaya infused the mood of Putana in that gopi, or else we can think that Yogamaya made the form of that gopi. Otherwise, no gopi can independently become envious of Krishna like Putana. Therefore, they imitated Krishna's Leela. As they progressed onwards, they saw the signs, Krishna's footprints in the ground with 19 symbols, like elephant goad, fish, water pot, flag. But in between those 2 feet of Krishna were some smaller size of feet. Whose feet were they? The Vipaksha gopis, the gopis who for Lila performed the pastimes of being against Radhika. They said, "Anaradita Nyunam Bhagavan Haririshwaro." Who is this gopi? We don't know. But definitely she is the most fortunate, Anaradita Nyunam, because having left all of us, Krishna, she is alone with Krishna. Therefore she has worshipped Bhagavan or Ishvara or Hari more than anyone else because Krishna has taken her. But the Swapaksh gopis, those who are on the side of Radhika, like Lalita and Vishaka, become most ecstatic. Oh, they are the footprints of our Swamini, Srimati Radhika. Some time on, they could not see the footprints of that other gopi. Therefore, they could understand that Krishna must have carried her. On one tree, they saw that that tree was devoid of flowers, where there should have been flowers. Also, Krishna's feet were there, but not the heel, only the toes, because he had stood on his toes to pluck the flowers. Therefore, with those flowers, Krishna was decorating the hair of Srimati Radhika. Therefore, Krishna got a new name, Keshav, one who decorates the kesh, or the hair of Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika was thinking, my friends like Lalita and Vishaka have given up everything for me. Therefore, it is not proper that I will be alone with Krishna. If they could also share this good fortune, I would be happy. Therefore, Radhika, in order to give the other gopis the chance to serve Krishna, she said, "I am very tired, I cannot go. Please take me wherever you like." Then Krishna could see the other gopis coming behind. Therefore Krishna was thinking, if those other gopis see me with Radhika, they will be envious of her. Therefore, what to do? My pastimes are complete here because Radharani's mind is pacified and the false ego of the other gopis that we are equal to Radharani has also been broken. Therefore, if I disappear, the gopis can meet together, then again we can have ras. Thinking this way, Krishna disappeared. The Guru Maharaj said a new point I never heard before, that really this Ras Lila proves the super excellence of Radharani. Because when Krishna disappeared at that time, Srimati Radhika fell unconscious. At that time, no other gopi had fallen unconscious. Only Radhika fell unconscious. Therefore, that is proof of her super excellence. Also, leaving aside all other millions of gopis, Krishna only took Radhika. Therefore, he only performed Ras Lila for her happiness. Therefore, this is all proof in the Srimad Bhagavatam of the topmost position of Srimati Radhika. When all the gopis came upon Radhika weeping, then even those who are vipaks against the group of Radhika, even they felt compassion for her. Oh, she is also weeping like us. Therefore, all met together and began weeping. That time, they said, to break our mind, Krishna took only you. When Krishna disappeared, where did he go? He went to Imlitala, just behind Keshigat, and there he became absorbed in thinking of Radhika. Radha Chintana Veshana Yasikanti Balopita Shri Krishna Charanam Bande Radha Lingita Vigraha. There in Imlitala in Sevakunj, Krishna sat alone under that tree, and remembering Radhika, he achieved the complexion and the mood of Radhika and became Sachinandan Gaurahari. Therefore, all these pastime places are there in Vrindavan, Sringhavat, Sevakunj, Imlitala. That time all the gopis met together and began singing their prayers of lamentation that is called Gopi Geet. And tomorrow we will hear about that. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. This morning, the devotees who received initiation, please be ready. Gurudev will now announce your new transcendental name. Damara Hara from Hawaii. New name is
Damodar Das ki jai.
Antonio.
Damodar Das.
Instead of Antonio Sanchez Diaz from Mexico.
Anupam Das. Name of Krishna. There is no anyone beautiful like Krishna, so Anupam.
That is Mother Maria Elena Grasa.
Oh, Malati Dasi ki jai.
Viviana Martinez.
Vilasini Devi ki jai.
Rodrigo Martinez.
Oh, Ramana. Ramana Prabhu ki jai. Ramana ne Radhika. So, Radhika naam Krishna.
Then receiving Diksha, Madhusudan Das Prabhu. Then receiving Harinam, he is very famous, devotee, all Houston knows him, Jai Narayan Singh, new name,
Jai Narayan. Jai Narayan.
Pascal Rainier, receiving Harinam.
Raglekha Devi ki jai.
Marino Victoria, receiving Harinam.
Oh, Gaur Hari Das.
Mirta Janet Rodriguez.
Oh, Madhurika Devi ki jai.
Sridhar Steve Mickey.
Sri Niti. Srinidhi Prabhu ki jai.
And then receiving Diksha, Indu Prabha Devi Dasi.
Indu Prabha Devi ki jai.
Receiving Harinam Krishna Smaranam, new name is
Krishna Das Prabhu ki jai.
receiving Harinam Vrindavani Kermai.
और वृंदावनी दासी की जय.
Now let's start drama. Hare Krishna, please start.
Hare Krishna. Just one announcement for tomorrow's program. Mangal Aarti will be at 5:30 in the morning, and at 7:30 in the morning, Sripad Tirth Maharaj will be speaking on the 7th Dashmul. At 10 o'clock, Sripad Padmanabh Maharaj will be speaking on Srimad Bhagavatam. At 11:30 tomorrow, we have presentations by Shyama Rani Didi on Bhakti Arts, by Vishwambhar Prabhu on Bhakti Projects, by Mahabodhi Prabhu on the different educational programs, and Nemi Maharaj on the different preaching programs. So at 11:30 in the morning tomorrow. And at 3 p.m., Sripad Nemi Maharaj will be speaking on the 8th Dashmul. And so all of you please kindly attend this festival. And now the drama will begin on Sudama Vipra.
Micro, BREN website, and then they have a personal, free, and then in the lower.
Almost 5,000 years ago, when Lord Sri Krishna, after defeating demon Kansa, went to study in Gurukul of Sandeepani Muni, there he met a Brahmin boy called Sudama. Gradually, Sudama and Krishna became good friends. One day, wife of Gurudev said,
"Oh, Prabhu, it's going to rain and we have no firewood. Please send the boys out to the forest to pick the wood."
Krishna, Sudama,
Yes, Gurudev.
please go to the forest at once and collect some wood. It is going to rain and we do not have any.
As you wish, Gurudev.
As soon as they entered the forest, heavy rain and thunder broke. But they collected the wood and made a bundle and put it on their head. Their bodies were wet and shivering, but they were sheltering the wood for Guru's service.
Friend, it looks like we lost our way. What are we going to do? Don't worry, I'm with you. Let's sit down here. Oh, I'm really hungry. I wish we had something to eat. My dear friend, I have some chana. Please take it to satisfy your hunger. Thank you, my friend. I'll never forget your generosity. One day I'll repay you.
"Oh, Prabhu, the boys have not returned. Please go out to look for them."
Krishna and Sudama. Let's go and look for Krishna and Sudama. Krishna! Sudama, where are you? Krishna! Sudama! Where are you? Sudama! Where are you?
Yes, Gurudev.
Krishna, Sudama. Where were you? What were you doing all night?
We were in the forest collecting woods for you.
Oh, I am so pleased with your devotion. You have endangered your lives for me. I grant you one boon. All the knowledge of the Vedas will dwell in you, and you will become experts in 64 types of arts and learning.
Then they returned to Gurukul. After some time, they returned to their homes. Krishna came to Mathura, and from there he went to Dwarka. After some time, he became king of Dwarka and married Princess Rukmini. Sudama also returned to Dwarka and married a Brahmin girl. Sudama did not care for worldly pleasures, always chanting and remembering Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Can you give me some bhiksha? Here's the bhiksha from today. Please use them as a prasadam. Swami, please go to see your dear friend, your very, very dear friend, King of Dwarka. He is Brahman Deva, and well-wisher of Brahmins, and you are a Brahmin. Surely he will give something for you. Why should I go there? I don't need to go there. But you should go not for yourself, but for the sake of your family. But he knows everything, the past, present, and future, and I'm happy with what I have. I will not go there. But you need to take care of us. Okay, if you say so, then I shall go. But only for the darshan of the lotus feet of my Lord. But wait, can you get a gift for me? Okay.
There was nothing in the house to be given to Krishna. Brahmani went to her neighbors.
Can you please spare some grain for me? This is all we have. I can't even take a nice gift from our friend. He is Almighty, the King of the universe. How small and wretched I feel.
Anyhow, he took it and kept it under his armpit and started his journey. Whole day walking miles and miles and miles. In evening, he reached. When he came to the open gates of the palace at Dwarka, no one stopped him as he entered. As it was the order of Lord Krishna, no Brahmin and devotees shall be stopped any time.
Krishna, Krishna, Sudama, Krishna, Sudama. It's been such a long
Swagatam, my friend. Swagatam. Come on, let's eat some prasadam. You must be very hungry. I think my Bobby has said something for me. What are you hiding there? Please eat.
Swami, in the first Puraya you gave this Brahman everything. In the second Puraya, don't give us away.
You must be very tired. Let's go. You must take some rest.
As you wish, Swami.
Next day.
May I take your permission and leave?
Why so early? Why so early? Stay for another week or two.
I could have stayed, but my Brahmini is alone and she would be worried. So I need to go back.
You must go, my friend. You must go.
It's a custom in India when a relative is going back, at least one yellow sari or dhoti with some coin in it should be given to him. But Lord Krishna gave nothing. They embraced each other and went on their way. Sudama, while walking back, thought,
My Lord has not given me anything. He could have given me anything, wealth, maids, palaces, but that would have ruined my bhakti. I'm so glad he didn't do that. Thank you, my Lord. Where have I come here? What is all this? Where is my little hut? Here are all big palaces. Where is my cow? Here are all camellos. My horses? I surely must have lost my way. Who are you? Why are you coming near me? I don't know you.
Sorry, you do not recognize me. I am your wife.
My wife? Oh, so while I was sleeping, my Lord, for a handful of rice, He gave us all these palaces, maidservants, and horses, as a form of love and affection. We will never forget it. Hare Krishna.
So Krishna in night gave everything to Brahman, though Brahman never wanted anything. So we should have strong faith in Krishna. Be like Sudama, Nishkinchan, doesn't want anything from Krishna, and then you will see that Krishna will give himself to you.
As Krishna says, Napare ham nirvadya sanyujam swasadhu krityam vibhudya swapi maha ya ma bhajan durja gahe shrinkhala samvrishya tadvaha griyatam sadhuna. O gopis, I am not able to repay my debt for your spotless service, even within a lifetime of Brahma. Your connection with me is beyond reproach. You have worshipped me, cutting off all domestic ties which are difficult to break. Therefore, please let your own glorious deeds be your compensation. Gaur Premanandi.
Very good play. Krishna, very good. Sudama, very good. Sandipani Muni, played very good. And his wife, oh, very good. And then Sudama also, very good role. And other boys as students. And Sudama wife, that is wife of Sandipani Muni, they have played very good role. My blessings to you all. Try to be like Sudama Vipra. Sudama Vipra was a student with Krishna in Sandipani Muni school. And to please Sandipani Muni wife, they went to forest. Oh, so much rain there. Even they collected so many wooden things. And they piled it and kept on their head whole life that these woods should not be weighted. But one thing I could not understand, what they were eating there. Never written anywhere. Who had composed this story? Who? Who is the compiler of this story? I have not told that they were eating anything. No, it had not been written. So this is something wrong. And then, Sudama was with Krishna. They were friends. But when Krishna became the king of Dwarka, Sudama was very akinchan Vaishnava. He never wanted any wealth, anything. So he did not care for wealth. Anyhow, his wife, Gargi, Gargacharya ki beti. So she was thinking, oh, my husband always is starving. So something I cook by bhiksha, by begging. I cook, I give to my husband, but he keeps for me only something. So he has become like old. And his wife also became like old. His breast was dry. So one day, she requested his husband, oh Sudama, oh my heart, dear husband, your friend is the king of, and he is very, very much honorable for Brahmins. You should only go, don't ask anything. He will himself give you plenty of. Sudama told, I will never beg anything from him. But even I will go and take darshan of that Prabhu, who is the Lords of Lords. That is fruit for him. And then he took some छोटे corn, chawler corn, broken rice, and kept here and went there. When he went there, oh, Krishna saw and embraced him. And he gave the same seat where he used to sit on the cot of Rukmini Devi. And himself he washed his feet. All the queens, they were serving people. Who is that people? That Krishna is serving himself. Then Krishna, Sudama Vipra thought that perhaps he is not recognizing that I am same Brahmin Sudama. Then Krishna told at the time of taking, oh, you remember, friend, we went one day in night and very heavy rain, you remember? Oh, then he told that, oh, he knows everything. Next day, Brahmadipra told that, now please order me to go. My Brahmani will be waiting for me. And then Krishna gave nothing and nothing. And empty-handed he returned in the way he was thinking. Oh, Krishna is very merciful. If he will give wealth, then I will be bewildered. False ego will come. I cannot do bhajan. That is why he is so merciful that he had not given. But when he returned to his cottage, oh, where is my cottage? No cottage. Instead of that, oh, very beautiful palaces. Not only so many. And he saw that, oh, Kamthenu, cows are there. How much? 16,108 cows. And so many things. All the queens, there were 16,108. Each they gave some water pot. Each they gave so many things to queen. But Krishna is very merciful. In Dwarka he did not give him. But like rain comes in the night and Krishak, farmers become happy. In the night so much rain, and then they began to plow on their fields. In the same way, Krishna did not give in front of anyone. In Gopi way, he gave everything to him and told that, oh, you are my friend, you will not be attached in all these things. When he reached there, his wife with so many maidservants, she came with paraphernalia of Aarti. But he saw that, oh, very beautiful young lady is coming. Who are they? He began to run away. But his wife, when she touched, at once she became very young, very beautiful. Then, why? If Sudama Vipra, by mercy of Krishna, will be very young and very beautiful, then his wife will not recognize. But his wife will recognize it in any way. So first he did his wife young and beautiful, and then by touching her, he became beautiful. So Krishna is so merciful. So try to be like Akinchan Vaishnava, like Sudama Vipra. Go Premananda.
There is one mala, someone has left their bead bag, so anyone this bead bag belongs to can come and take it. So again tomorrow Shri Gurudev will be speaking at 5 o'clock, followed by which there will be a drama. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol.
Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Bolo Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai Cartels Govinda Jai Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai. Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai. Govinda Jai Jai, Gopala Jai Jai. Govinda Jai Jai, Gopala Jai Jai. Oh, Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai.
I will get in such a fast minute. I don't know where the boy is.
Hari Govinda Jai Jai. Govinda Jai Jai, Gopala Jai Jai. Govinda Jai Jai, Gopala Jai Jai. Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai. Oh, Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai. Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. 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 Oh, Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Oh, Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Oh, Radhe Radhe Radhe, Jai 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 Shri Radhe. Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai. Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai. Govinda Jai Jai, Gopala Jai Jai. Oh, Govinda Jai Jai, Gopala Jai Jai. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Oh, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna,
Hare Mathur